Jungle.
But in future I can assure you TRS party will be participating in various national level programs, because as our honorable leader had said, India needs an alternative which is neither BJP nor Congress, because both of these parties have been given ample opportunity by the people of this nation, which they have grossly misutilized. So in this context, Indian politics needs to change, and TRS will certainly play a major role.
Ma'am, there were reports that KCR called up Mamta yesterday and said since Congress is there, he doesn't want to be seen with him, that's why he's not attending the rally.
So what would be the main reason, ma'am?
Actual reason is that this is the first assembly session. Our speaker election was there, our assembly session is on, and this is the first session after the new government is formed. So it is very important that the leader of house is here. And we, as I said, Honorable KCR Garu will be very actively participating in the national politics, and the proposed federal front is also taking up good shape. And as you can see, various other organizations or various other fronts which they proposed, one doesn't agree with the leader being, proposed by the other party. Federal front is not proposing a leader. We are saying an agenda, a life-changing agenda should be proposed for the nation, and that we will certainly propose.
But why not? अभी क्या जो ममता बनर्जी की रैली है, उससे ये साफ हो रहा है कि ममता वर्सेस मोदी, क्या आप इसको बस में मानते हैं?
देखिए, हम तो चाहते हैं कि मोदी जी को भी मौका ना मिले, राहुल जी को भी मौका ना मिले। देश के लोगों को एक ऑल्टरनेटिव का ज़रूरी है, तो जो भी जहाँ पे भी एफर्ट्स हो रहे हैं इन दोनों पार्टियों को हटाने के लिए, वहाँ पे TRS होगा। आज का जो ममता जी का रैली हो रहा है, अभी अगर इफ़ इट इज़ फंडामेंटली अगेंस्ट मोदी जी, देन कांग्रेस शुड हैव बीन देयर. आई थिंक Rahul ji is also not attending the meeting today. So I don't know how serious these developments will be, but I can certainly say this: post elections there will be many more changes, and the real political game, I think, will be after election. But if at all pre-political alliances are to be taken up seriously, then the alliances which happen pre-poll should also continue post-poll. Federal Front is making all such efforts that whichever parties we speak to and whichever parties we are talking to, if we are in a pre-poll alliance, we would like to go post-poll also, because the promise which you make the people pre-poll should be honored post-poll also. So that is the effort that is being made. Now in Telugu,
पार्लियामेंट में यूथ रिजर्वेशन की आप बात कर रहे हैं, हाउ स्ट्रांगली यू विल परस्यू दिस?
see, as a fairly young member in politics, I believe that for the youngsters to get an opportunity in a political party in this country at this given kind of an ambience is very difficult. That is why, if at all a reservation is proposed for the youth, a reservation is given for the women as promised by the current government and various other governments earlier, then only there can be a headway in politics of youth and women participation. That is why I propose that, and I'll certainly take it up. I'll introduce a private members bill. I'll make sure there will be discussion around this in the country. I'll work towards it. And this international seminar that we are hosting today is precisely to come up with alternative ideas and solutions to the existing political scenario, either in the country or across the nation.